So over here, you can see that I have some video clips right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to send these clips into Premiere Pro as sequence. So to do that, as you select out a particular video right here, you can simply go around onto the Tools menu and then go to Premiere Pro right here. And here you can see that Edit a Create a Sequence is an option. Once you go ahead and click right here, what happens is that it simply goes ahead and opens up Premiere Pro. And now you can see that the Premiere Pro is loaded up right here, and that particular video right here will be loaded out as a sequence. So you can see that it immediately imports out the file right here, and the selected footage right here has been imported out in sequence right here. So that is the integration between Adobe Bridge right here and Premiere Pro. So I can simply go around over here just like this, and then go around onto Tools, onto Premiere Pro, and then go to Create a Sequence right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that now that particular video has been imported out as a sequence right here. And that is how you can go ahead and send video clips to Premiere Pro as a sequence from Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.